What's up guys, it's Anthony. In today's video we're going to be doing a taillight swap on my 99 Jeep XJ. Somebody like spray painted / rhino lined over the old taillight, or the original taillights, and I don't really like that, so I got some smoked ones, and you can hardly see my taillights, and in the morning when it's kind of like dusk, I highly doubt that you can see it because I drive away from the sun, and so the sun's beating on the back of my Jeep, so it's kind of like a functional upgrade / change. It's currently like 9 o'clock tonight, so hopefully I can do something with the lighting so you guys can kind of see. All I have is this little light right here, and you know, I can't really get it to stay like that so that way you guys could see too much, but yeah, I'll show you what it looks like right now, and then I'll show you guys what I'm doing. So that's what it looks like. You can hardly see anything. You can see that it's just been painted and rhino line just like the rest of the Jeep right there. So the goal is to change this stuff out. We have one 10 mil, two 10 mil, three 10 mil, and then there's like a little tab underneath of the light, and we gotta pull it out. So we'll go ahead and try and get that done, and we'll go ahead and show you guys the new ones that I got. So this is the new one that I got. They're smoked, not too dark. I think it's gonna look a lot better than that. And again, I apologize for the very shitty lighting, but yeah, let's go ahead and get this done. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by taking these 3 little 10 mils out and see how it goes. Let me see if I can set you guys up so that way you can kind of see what I'm doing. This one, the tab's already broke. I learned that when I had to change one of my brake lights when I first got the Jeep. There's the old, there's the new. I think that looks so much nicer. Compared to this side. This side's just really dull and nasty. That side, whew, that side be looking good, boys. All right, let's get this side done now. But what would you guys like to see Next, I have some LED light pods to install. I have some flag nut things for the rear shocks. I can also get a few other things too, depending on what you guys would want to see. Yeah. So just let me know, and I'm trying to make it happen. Been slacking on content lately because it's been cold, and I just don't want to be in the garage because like it's really cold and windy right now. So. Alright. Got the button her up. Alright, and there she be. She looks so much nicer. Let's go and turn my lights on and see how they look. Oh yeah, that is 100% better. Let's go see what the blinkers look like. Oh, I guess they might need to have the key in it to be able to have blinkers. There we go. Kind of sucks that those blink super quick. Man, what's that for? I've never really looked at these rear lights before. I guess that's the brake light. I don't know. Let's test that theory. Yeah, no, that's not the brake light. Huh. So I wonder what that little separation is. But yeah, there you guys have it. Jeep's a little dirty, but you know, that's okay. So, but there you guys have it. That is swapping out to some aftermarket taillights on my 99 XJ. One more look. Back there. Well, I don't know how to work that. But yeah, I like it a lot better than the painted ones. Maybe I'll be able to turn around and sell those. These were like $80 or something like that on Amazon. I'm gonna try and keep like a total of like how much we've spent on this, because I want to try and keep it somewhat budget friendly, and show you guys that you don't need a $10,000 XJ to be able to go and play, have fun, and keep up with everybody else in their expensive Jeeps like JKs and stuff like that. So that's kind of the goal with this. So, but hopefully you guys did enjoy. Has been Anthony, and I'm going to talk to you guys later.